Get a step-by-step guide on building a simple analog computer using op-amps and resistors to solve basic equations. Analog computers use continuous signals, unlike digital computers which use discrete values. Op-amps are crucial components in analog computers, amplifying weak electrical signals. Resistors play a key role in analog circuits, controlling voltage and current flow. An integrator circuit, built with op-amps and resistors, can solve equations with integrals. A simple analog computer can be built to solve basic equations like 2x plus 5 equals 10. Analog computers were widely used before digital computers, solving complex problems in science and engineering. Neuroscientist Dr. The human skeleton is made up of 206 bones that protect and support the brain. Research shows that bone structure can influence brain function and cognitive abilities. The shape and size of the skull can affect the way brain waves are generated and transmitted. Changes in atmospheric pressure can cause subtle shifts in brain function and mood. Weather forecasters use atmospheric pressure data to predict weather patterns and storms. Understanding the bone-brain connection can improve the accuracy of weather forecasting models. On October 19, 1987, global stock markets plummeted, with the Dow Jones falling 22.6%. On October 19, 1987, global stock markets experienced their largest one-day percentage decline in history. The Dow Jones Industrial Average plummeted 22.6%, equivalent to a $500 billion loss in value. Program trading, a new technology at the time, was initially blamed for the crash due to its rapid sale of stocks. However, human psychology and market sentiment were later identified as the primary causes of the crash. The crash led to increased regulation and the implementation of circuit breakers to prevent similar events. Black Monday 1987 served as a wake-up call for investors, highlighting the importance of diversification and risk management. Visit the mysterious Gravity Hill in India, where the laws of physics seem to be defied, and learn about the scientific explanations behind this phenomenon, including the role of optical illusions and geological formations. Gravity Hill is located in Moniki, India, and is a popular tourist attraction. Cars and other objects appear to move uphill on their own, defying gravity. The phenomenon is caused by an optical illusion, where the surrounding landscape tricks the brain. The hill's unique geological formation, with a slight incline, contributes to the illusion. The brain is misled by the lack of visible landmarks, making it difficult to judge the slope. Gravity Hill is not a unique phenomenon, with similar locations found around the world. We'll put this Hollywood myth to the test and see if it's possible to shoot a lock-off with a handgun, using different calibers and techniques. In Hollywood movies, shooting a lock-off is a common trope, but is it based in reality? Most locks have a hardened steel plate that prevents bullets from penetrating easily. A 9mm handgun is unlikely to penetrate a lock, even at close range. Larger calibers like .45 ACP may have a better chance, but still often fail to destroy the lock. The type of lock and its internal mechanisms play a crucial role in determining its vulnerability to bullets. In reality, shooting a lock-off is rarely effective and can be dangerous, making it a myth rather than a reliable tactic. Relive the devastating 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami that hit Thailand, causing over 5,000 deaths, and discover how the country has rebuilt and prepared for future disasters. Thailand's west coast is prone to tsunamis due to its location in the Indian Ocean's seismic zone. On December 26, 2004, a 9.1 magnitude earthquake triggered a massive tsunami that hit Thailand's coast. The 2004 tsunami caused widespread destruction, killing over 5,000 people and displacing hundreds of thousands more. In response to the disaster, Thailand established a national tsunami warning system to alert citizens of potential threats. Today, Thailand conducts regular drills and evacuation exercises to prepare its citizens for future tsunamis. Does sweating during exercise mean you're burning fat? Sweating during exercise doesn't directly mean you're burning fat. It's a sign of heat regulation. The amount you sweat is influenced by genetics, fitness level, and environmental conditions, not fat loss. Sweat is primarily composed of water and electrolytes, not fat or calories, which are burned internally. Fat loss occurs when you create a calorie deficit, not when you sweat, through diet and exercise. The body burns fat for energy during low-intensity, long-duration activities, not just when you sweat heavily. To measure fat loss, track changes in body composition, not sweat, for a more accurate picture. Discover how the Samsung Galaxy A52 can run popular games like Fortnite at 60 frames per second, and find out if it's worth investing in for mobile gaming. The Samsung Galaxy A52 is a mid-range smartphone with impressive gaming capabilities. It features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor, suitable for smooth gaming performance. The Galaxy A52 can run Fortnite at 60 frames per second, making it a great option for mobile gamers. With 6GB or 8GB of RAM, the A52 can handle demanding games with ease. The phone's 4500 mAh battery provides long gaming sessions without needing a recharge. For under $400, the Samsung Galaxy A52 is a budget-friendly option for serious mobile gamers. Explore the fascinating story of the Sultanate of Zanzibar, which lasted only 1 year and 38 days in 1896, making it one of the shortest-lived nations in history. The Sultanate of Zanzibar was a short-lived nation that existed from the 25th of August 1896 to the 2nd of September 1896. Zanzibar was a strategic archipelago located off the coast of Tanzania, controlling the Indian Ocean trade routes. The British Empire was concerned about German expansion in East Africa and sought to annex Zanzibar to secure its interests. Sultan Hamad bin Thuwaini was forced to abdicate after just 38 days, and the British installed a new ruler, Khalid bin Bargash. The Anglo-Zanzibar War, also known as the shortest war in history, lasted only 38 minutes, making it the briefest conflict ever recorded. Delve into the history and significance of Fermat's last theorem, a problem that stumped mathematicians for 358 years until Andrew Wiles finally solved it in 1994. In 1637, French mathematician Pierre de Fermat claimed to have a proof for Fermat's last theorem, but never shared it. Fermat's last theorem states that there are no integer solutions to the equation a n plus b, n equals c, n for n is greater than 2. For 358 years, mathematicians struggled to prove Fermat's last theorem, with many considering it impossible. Andrew Wiles, a British mathematician, finally solved Fermat's last theorem in 1994 using modular forms. Wiles's proof is incredibly complex, spanning 100 pages and relying on advanced algebraic geometry.